The other day, I took down one of my bikes for maintenance and cleaning. I discovered a large tear in this tire, right along the edge of the wheel. The tube was also fully deflated, so I took the tire off and confirmed that the tube was torn in the same spot. So I decided to hit up a local bike shop to buy some new tires and tubes. They had these really budget friendly 35mm hybrid tires. I don't do any aggressive bike riding, so these were just perfect for me. So now, before I replaced the tubes and tires, I gave each of my wheels a nice cleaning to make sure there was no debris that would get in the way of the tires sealing up against the wheel rims. I also made sure the rim tape was still in good condition. I proceeded to put one side of the tire on first. This would allow me to tuck the tube in easily from one side. So here's the tube I used. It's a Presta style valve, and before I can put it into the wheel, I need to remove this nut. Also, I went ahead and pumped a little bit of air into the tube. This makes it easy to handle, and it also makes it less likely to get pinched between the rim edge and the tire. I then started tucking it into the tire from the open side. Then, I proceeded to carefully insert the other end of the tire into the rim as well, while making sure I'm not pinching the tube inside. The last remaining bit is a little hard to push inside without any special tools, but it's not impossible. With the tire in place, I made sure that it's seated up against the rim correctly, and that the tube is not being pinched anywhere. I then screwed the nut back onto the Presta valve. Alright, it was then time to fill the tire with air. This tire can be filled between 50 and 80 psi as per the label on the tire. I went ahead and began pumping it with my manual floor pump. I decided to pump it to 70 psi, right in the middle of the range it asks. I made sure not to forget to tighten the Presta valve nut to prevent air from escaping. And also, I placed the cap over it to protect it. Well, I'm glad I can ride this bike again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful videos like this.